Annie was good.
What is she
you
trying to do?
too.
Turn it on? What's happening?
Come on,
Turn it on?
no, nothing. Ready? What are we doing?
We're dancing!
Oh, thank you. There. All right.
Teach you with the bells on.
I can do that. So I hear you guys have been having a little bit of vino, eh?
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
He spilled one glass.
Are you videotaping?
We're gonna do it to
Have it right in here.
Where'd you get all these?
Oh,
Santa!
them
Downstairs.
were with my Santa Claus outfit.
I didn't know you had this many.
I
Yeah.
didn't either.
Holy
More like
cow.
you need it. Okay, Paul. No more wine.
I forgot he had 2 glasses of
I'll go
wine.
in the kitchen and eat.
I don't even know wine.
Huh? You don't need any wine, right?
No.
You're always happy.
That's like sitting on the floor.
So, how did this all happen?
How did this all happen?
You come here, you gotta laugh.
That's fine with me.
Yeah, me
That's the
too.
rule.
I like to laugh.
There's all the stuffed animals.
You're a good Indian caller.
This is her, Sarah. She's got the moves.
Yeah, she's got the one-legged little hobble thing.
Yeah. I did that dance with the Indians in Wisconsin.
Wisconsin.
Yeah, I was jumping around like a goof. We were on vacation.
Sometimes you just gotta dance.
Yeah, that's right. You gotta have fun.
Life is too short.
That's
Yeah.
right. My nephew just got a cell phone for Christmas,
Uh-huh.
and he won't stop sending me text messages. I'm gonna have to get unlimited texting to talk to him now. He just sent me a text message asking me if I was here. Yes, I'm here. I
where
texted
here
him
is?
from when I was downstairs.
Oh.
He said, "What are you doing?" And I told him. He laughed.
You know what you should
Can't
do,
believe it.
Sarah,
Can't have
and
privacy
Rachel,
for prospects.
during the night when they're all sleeping? Get the thing to go, you really wake up.
Pause it. Oh, Larry, you can pause. Can you put it? Oh, I bet people would like it. He'd get into it.
Well, wait, flop in the middle. Yeah, that's kind of a thing.